Number 1. 1964 Ford F100 Custom Cab V8 Automatic, $3,900, Portland, Washington. This 1964 Ford F100 Custom Cab represents one of Ford's most respected classic pickup generations. Powered by its original 292 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission, this largely unrestored truck retains much of its factory character. The seller notes that the engine runs well, although some exhaust smoke and transmission servicing should be expected after sitting for several years. Original paint, minimal rust, solid glass, and a restored front seat add to its appeal. With a clean title and a solid body, this F100 is an affordable restoration candidate with strong collector potential. Number 2. 1966 Ford F100, $3,000, Patterson, California. The 1966 Ford F100 marks the final year of Ford's highly regarded fourth-generation pickup line. This project truck reportedly features a good body, which is often the most valuable starting point for any restoration. Equipped with rear-wheel drive and a manual transmission, it offers an excellent foundation for a custom build, restoration project, or vintage work truck. Its clean title and attractive price make it a promising opportunity for classic Ford enthusiasts. Number 3. 1966 Ford F250 Factory 4-Wheel Drive, $2,800, Saratoga, Wyoming. Factory 4-wheel drive Ford trucks from the 1960s continue to gain popularity among collectors and off-road enthusiasts. This 1966 Ford F250 is powered by a V8 engine and manual transmission and still retains its desirable factory 4-wheel drive configuration. Although the fuel tank requires cleaning and the brakes need servicing, the truck runs and drives. Given its rarity and affordable price, this F250 offers significant restoration and investment potential. Number 4. 1968 Chevrolet C10 Long Bed, $4,999, Edmonds, Washington. The 1968 Chevrolet C10 belongs to one of the most desirable generations of Chevrolet pickups. This truck has been upgraded with a later model 350 cubic inch V8 engine, power steering, power disc brakes, aluminum radiator, custom suspension modifications, and dual exhaust. Features such as factory air conditioning, custom hood, relocated fuel tank, and a straight body enhance its appeal. With only minor rust and solid floors, this C10 offers an excellent blend of classic style and modern drivability. Number 5. 1969 GMC Sierra 3/4 ton, $2,650, Spokane, Washington. This 1969 GMC Sierra 3/4 ton combines vintage GMC styling with practical mechanical upgrades. Originally a big block truck with factory air conditioning, it now features a dependable 350 cubic inch V8 and turbo-hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. Newer wheels, tires, battery, starter, and dual exhaust improve its usability. While the brakes could use some attention, the truck runs and drives well, making it an affordable entry into classic GMC ownership. Number 6. 1958 Ford F350 fire truck, $750, Santa Margarita, California. This 1958 Ford F350 is a unique commercial vehicle that served as a water and fire truck. Powered by a good-running 6-cylinder engine, it includes a multi-quip 3,600-watt generator, industrial water pumps, hoses, and connectors. Although it lacks a title and is not roadworthy, it presents an interesting opportunity for collectors, ranch owners, or vintage equipment enthusiasts. At this price point, it offers remarkable value as a specialty classic truck. Number 7. 1977 GMC Camper Special, 3/4 ton, $1,500, Langley, Washington. The GMC Camper Special was specifically engineered for hauling campers and heavier loads. This 1977 example is equipped with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, factory air conditioning, and dual fuel tanks. The truck reportedly runs well and comes with a clean title. While cosmetic improvements may be needed, its low price and practical configuration make it an appealing classic truck for enthusiasts seeking a budget-friendly project. Number 8. 1975 International Grain Truck, $1,800, Woodbine, Iowa. International Harvester trucks have long been admired for their durability and agricultural heritage. This 1975 grain truck is believed to be powered by a 345 cubic inch V8 engine and reportedly runs well. The primary issue is a non-functioning brake system that will require repair. With a clean title and solid mechanical foundation, this truck offers an affordable restoration opportunity for collectors of vintage farm and commercial vehicles. Number 9. 1957 GMC 150 dually, $15,000, Necedah, Wisconsin. This 1957 GMC 150 dually is an extensively upgraded classic truck that combines vintage styling with modern performance. Powered by a Chevrolet 454 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission, it features a Dana 60 rear axle, Edelbrock intake system, aluminum radiator, upgraded gauges, new suspension components, and many additional improvements. The step-side bed, dually fenders, large rear window, and slanted tailgate create a highly desirable appearance. With all major systems functioning properly, this turnkey truck is ready for shows, cruises, or towing duties. Number 10. 1989 Ford F250 XLT Lariat Super Cab, $3,750, Auburn, Washington. The 1989 Ford F250 belongs to Ford's increasingly collectible brick nose generation. This XLT Lariat Super Cab features dual fuel tanks, an automatic transmission, a very clean interior, and only 84,000 original miles. The truck reportedly runs and drives well while requiring only minor cosmetic attention. As interest in 1980s trucks continues to grow, this well-preserved Ford offers an attractive combination of comfort, utility, and future collectability. Number 11. 1984 Ford F250, $3,500, Santa Barbara, California. Powered by Ford's legendary 460 cubic inch V8 engine, this 1984 F250 offers impressive torque and classic heavy-duty capability. The truck reportedly runs well and benefits from recently installed brake components, including a new master cylinder and brake booster. Good tires, original mileage, clean ownership history, and a clean title enhance its value. Aside from needing interior door panels, this Ford appears ready for dependable service. Number 12. 1989 Dodge Dakota LE, $2,850, East Vancouver, Hockinson, Washington. This 1989 Dodge Dakota LE showcases one of the most practical mid-size truck configurations available. Powered by a reliable 3.9-liter V6 engine and automatic overdrive transmission, it features a rare 8-foot bed capable of carrying full plywood sheets and other oversized cargo. Factory power windows, power locks, a bed liner, and a complete set of studded snow tires add further value. With a structurally sound body and clean title, it remains a practical and affordable classic pickup. Number 13. 1984 Nissan Datsun 720 four-wheel drive, $4,000, Boise, Idaho. The Nissan Datsun 720 has earned a reputation as one of the toughest and most reliable compact pickups of its era. This four-wheel drive example is equipped with a 2.4-liter engine and desirable 5-speed manual transmission. Despite its higher mileage, the truck reportedly runs and drives well while remaining fairly clean. Growing collector interest in classic Japanese trucks has made models like the 720 increasingly desirable, and this example offers both usability and long-term enthusiast appeal.